Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see who follows you on Snapchat. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you want to go to your DM section, and then here, go to the top right, tap on the three dots, and tap on Manage Friendships. Okay, and this section right here shows everyone you have a mutual or a two-way friendship with. Well, that means that they are your followers. Okay, now if you have a public profile, when you go ahead and go to the top or the top left, you have your public profile right here. You'll be able to see insights, but the problem in this section, you will just be able to see the total followers, but not the list. Okay. Also, you can go ahead over to your profile once more right here, or your Bitmoji, and you will have the section right here, who added you. Okay. Now, if you have a list right here, who added you or recently added you, but you haven't added back, well, that means they're your follower as well. Okay, you can go out and go back, and again, you have your friends section in here. Okay, so you could also check who's following you. For example, you go ahead and post a story. Let's say I wanted to post this one to my story. Now, just wait for it, and then once done, you could go ahead over to your story right here, tap on it, and check who viewed it. And non-friends following your public profile may appear here. Also, when you go ahead and check, okay, if you have the quick ads section, as people who appear in your quick ads section might be following you or have mutual friends, offering a hint at potential followers. Now, I would just like for you to know that Snapchat right here does not provide a comprehensive, dedicated list of every single person who follows you unless you're friends with them. All right, and that is how you see who follows you on Snapchat. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.